You're welcome to class. My name is Emmanuel Adeniji. This series is titled Accounting Equation, and in this class we'll be looking at Accounting Equation Part 1. But before I continue, let me encourage you to share this video to as many people as possible. Okay, let's take the objectives of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to define accounting equation, identify the components of the accounting equation. Okay, an accounting equation is also known as a balance sheet equation, and this equation shows the mathematical relationship between three components, and these components are assets, capital, and liabilities. Capital is also referred to as owner's equity. Now let's take them one after the other. Talking about the assets of the business, assets are generally what the business owns. What the business owns, or what is owed to a business. Now, a business runs with assets. They are the resources which the business owns and uses to run regularly, okay, in order to earn or generate income. Now, a business cannot run without assets. A business cannot make sales or revenue without assets. Now, let me show you something. Now, look at this building. Okay, this premises is an asset. This building itself is an asset. As long as the firm operates on this premises in this building, it continues to do business and then generate revenue. Now look at this. This is cash. The business runs with cash. Okay, they need money on a daily basis. Okay, look at this generator here. This is another property which the business owns and it uses to run regularly. Okay, look at this delivery van. Look at this factory machinery. Okay, this factory machine is very important. The firm uses this machine on a daily basis, okay, in order to generate revenue. Look at this office furniture. Okay, look at the office equipment, the computers, the scanner, the photocopier, and all the likes. So all these resources, okay, which the business owns, are generally referred to as assets. So everything which your establishment has put in place to run, okay, in order to continue to generate revenue, is referred to as assets. Now let me tell you about the liabilities of a business. Liabilities are what the firm owes, or what the business owes to third parties. Okay, what the business owes to third parties is referred to as liabilities. There are times that the business has obtained funds from third parties, finance from third parties, okay, in form of loans from creditors, or supplies of goods on credit, okay, loans from banks and other financial institutions. The totality of everything is what the firm owes to these parties. So that's why we say liability is what the firm owes to third parties. Now let me tell you about capital. Capital is the totality of the owner's investment in the business. Okay, everything the owner has invested, has put into the business in order to run, is referred to as capital. So capital, in a way, is a liability. Okay, it is an indebtedness of the business to its owner, because if I invest funds into the business, I'm expecting the business to bring me back returns in multiple fold. So that is why capital is regarded as a liability. Okay, a liability, a debt which the business owes to its owner. Okay, let's summarize. When we're starting this class, I said we are going to be able to define an accounting equation. We said an accounting equation is a mathematical statement that shows the relationship between assets, capital, also known as owner's equity, and liabilities. Okay, so the three components of this equation are assets, capital, and liabilities. Okay, I showed you some of the resources of the business, the assets with which the business runs, what belongs to the business, or what is owed to the business. Okay, the firm runs. Okay, the firm does business with assets. Okay, I also said the liabilities are the value of what the business owes to third parties. Okay, and then capital is the owner's investment in the business. Okay, join me in the next class on accounting equation part 2. Please do not miss the class on accounting equation part 2 because we'll be building on it. This is a foundational class. All right, thank you very much for being in class today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Before I go, let me remind you once again to share this video to as many people as possible. Thank you very much. My name is Emmanuel Adeniji. Bye for now.